Good morning and happy Monday. I know we have been missing for a while because I was taking a break. Actually, Tanya and I, we were both taking a break. I literally took a break in terms of like I didn't do anything for a week, so a little over a week. And I hope you guys had an amazing 4th of July weekend, long weekend. So as you can tell, I'm a little under the weather, but I have taken bath and everything, and I'm ready to rock this Monday, and I'm ready to work. Tanya already left at work, so you will guys see her when she's back. She'll be back around 1 today, so not too late. And Marvel is still sleeping. I still have to feed him, give him a walk and everything. So since we took a break and talking to you guys after so long, how about you leave us a comment, give us a like, share, subscribe, and let us know about how your weekend was. Let us know how your weekend was, the July 4th weekend. And we really hope you guys are all safe. I know this year it's all very different because of the COVID situation and whatnot, but stay safe out there, guys, and keep enjoying however you can. So I am gonna go work now and see you guys in a little bit. Alright people, so I'm seeing you after quite a bit time. It's almost gonna, it's 12:45 actually, so I'm taking a quick break to make an immunity booster for myself, and I thought maybe I'll share it with you guys because Tanya will be here in like 5 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. She comes by 1:15. Marvel is sleeping, and I'm just quickly gonna make an immunity booster for myself because I have a meeting in 10 minutes. I haven't had lunch yet. So this is something called Best Defense that is very rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, like 1000 milligram of vitamin C, so 8 milligram of zinc, and this is very important in times like these, that you keep your immunity in check. So this is something that Tanya and I, we both take along with other things with the higher pH value, such as avocados, lime, lemons, that can actually help you boost your immunity. So let's make this. Simple to make this immunity booster. It's an effervescent tablet, so you just drop it into the water and it effervesces till it dissolves completely. You can see, you guys saw that how it was doing it. So I'll just wait a couple of minutes till it gets completely dissolved, and then I'll enjoy it. It's an orange flavor. It has, as I said, a lot of vitamin C. It has a zinc that you need to boost your immunity, to keep your body in check. And COVID or not, you should always take care of your body. It's like people are just waking up and realizing, oh my god, we should do all these healthy things so that our immunity is better. But I guess you should always do healthy things, right? So anyways, if you want to know where you can get this, feel free to leave me a comment and I can follow up with you and provide you with specifics. So anyways, I have to head back in my meeting in 3 minutes, and I'll see you guys later.
Alright guys, I am back from work and Mayank is on a meeting. That's why I'm whispering. Once he's done with this meeting, I'm gonna talk to you guys more, but for now let's go make lunch. I'm gonna make a nice, delicious, healthy salad. So I'll show you what I put in my salad. Let's go. The things that I'm using are arugula, romaine, tomato, onion, green pepper. I got these colorful carrots from Trader Joe's. They are just carrot with some seasoning, so I'm gonna saute them in a pan. And for Mayang, I'm gonna use one veggie patty, and that's like a potato carrot patty. And for myself, I'm gonna use a veggie black bean roasted corn quinoa patty. I love this patty. So yeah, that is what I'm gonna be mixing, and it's going to be delicious. Alright guys, so you guys saw I added the salad mixed with all the goodness, and then I added the carrots, and now I am heating up the patty right here. Marvel! Yes! What do you want? Mayang is done with his meeting, so that's why. Quickly gonna give him the lunch. He's gonna eat his lunch while working, and I'm gonna watch TV, I guess. Alright guys, look at my salad. It's ready. This is Mayang's. I added some croutons and some healthy nuts, and this is mine. The only difference is the patty. This is a potato carrot patty, and this is veggie quinoa black bean carrot patty. So yep, this is our lunch. Alright, so I'm going to work out. Mayang is done with this office, so I'm using the office room as a workout room right now. I'm gonna play a workout in the iMac over here, right over here, and then do my workout. I'm done with my workout. Look at that sweat. Oh, so tired. So tired. Alright, I'm gonna go take a bath. See you guys in some time.
Alright people, look at that glow. I always tell her after she works out, her skin is like so clear.
I took bath. I feel so good now. I feel like I've done everything that I had to do the whole day that I thought that I had to do this. It's all done except for eating dinner.
Whoa, commendable. Well, anyways, so since we are not hitting the gym, this is new workout that Tanya has started. I have to start doing this workout. She is already doing it. It's a 14-day, 2-week shed challenge. So her 14 days starts today. There won't be any Saturday or Sunday. It has to be like continuous 14-day. If you guys want the link to this workout, we can always put it in the description box, so check it out. And it is amazing. Marvel is just banging his bowls around. He's done. Yeah, he finished his food. He's just trying to get every single bit out of it. Yeah, if you can spot, I was just watching Friends while she was working out, and our dinner is gonna be, I don't know what are we gonna have dinner. Yeah, I'm just gonna have a shake, or I don't know.
Air fried chicken with green beans. Air fried.
You're in for another recipe, the quick one. So anyways, once we are done walking Marvel and she makes her dinner, she will show it to you guys for sure.
Alright guys, so my dinner is not ready. I prepped it. I'm gonna put the tray in the oven. This is how it looks. It has carrots, 1 chicken thigh, and green beans. And this is just for me. I'm not eating any carbs. I'm just doing like protein and veggies. And Mayank is gonna be drinking shake when my dinner will be ready. So what I added to this is basically chili powder and garlic powder for the carrots and the green beans, and chicken also has the same thing, but another seasoning called rosemary and garlic. Hold on. Yep, rosemary and garlic seasoning blend. So this is what I added. Yes, I do have a lot of variety of seasoning here. We love flavor. And then just before eating, I'm gonna squeeze some lemon juice, and that's it. And I'm gonna put it in the oven at 370. What? 375? Did I put 375 or 380? 375. For at least 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna check back in. Dinner is ready. Look at the chicken, the color. Oh my god, it looks super pretty. So yeah, and yeah, there goes the picture for thumbnail. But yeah, they are nice. The chicken is nice and juicy. The carrots, look at them. And I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon and enjoy my dinner with some coffee that I'm making right here. Alright, this is how my plate looks like. I'm gonna go enjoy my beautiful delicious dinner and my coffee right here, and he's having his shake over there. No, this is a banana caramel with Dutch chocolate. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed our today's vlog. We tried to show you everything that we did the whole day, like workout and all the meals and everything.
I mean, today is like a vlog, our comeback vlog. I told you that we have been taking a break. And we kind of showed you how the lifestyle has just taken a twist, where we work out at home, we try to eat healthy, and we'll definitely share our transformations with you as well.
And keep watching our vlogs. We'll share with you more recipes like these, like simple, delicious, healthy meals. And I hope you guys enjoy with us.
And stay safe. And we are going to see you in our next vlog.
Until then, bye bye.